The gap between market leaders and the obsolete is widening every second. Today, what separates them is not just capital, it is leverage. Digital leverage. We are in the middle of an arms race in artificial intelligence and SaaS. But for the average operator, this isn't an opportunity, it is chaos. Thousands of new tools appear every month. Endless hype cycles, fake reviews. You do not have time to sift through the garbage. Every incorrect tool you implement is a tax on your speed and your budget. Enter SoftiaLabs. We are not influencers, we are analysts. Think of this channel as your weekly intelligence briefing. We rigorously test the B2B software and AI workflows that actually move the needle for top-tier companies. We strip away the marketing fluff to show you raw utility. If you're looking for basic hand-holding tutorials, you are in the wrong place. This environment is designed for those ready to act. We provide the blueprint, we identify the weapons, but pulling the trigger, that is entirely your responsibility. If you are ready to stop consuming noise and start building real leverage, welcome. Head over to SoftiaLabs.io for the full dossier. Let's get to work.